So today we're over at the Swan, the Dolphin, the Swan Reserve, the boardwalk, walking, doing the tourist through there, and now we're going to finish up our day heading over on the Skyliner, guys. We're heading over by the Ratatouille ride right now. The lines look like they're picking up. Lately it's been dead over here, so I'll give you guys a look down and see what you guys are dealing with. This is crazy. This is like the biggest line I've seen in a while. So it is a Saturday. The lines are picking up. Usually you get here on a Friday. We're like the only one here in the morning over at the garage, so it is a change.
Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. As you can see, we're here with Morgan with his new iPhone. Where are you guys from?
Alabama.
Alabama, awesome, awesome. Your first visit?
Oh
Soon
no.
we'll be flying
Awesome,
past
awesome.
Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. This
Where are you guys
charming
staying?
lakeside resort
Boardwalk.
offers
Awesome,
magical
awesome.
lounges, enchanting
Yeah, we just found out today they have 2 pools buried in the back. We've gone through that place 100 million times. I didn't know they had the small pools. We've never walked around other than the Luna pool.
Yeah.
So it's different to me.
Yeah, didn't they redo the pools a few years ago?
Yep.
Because it used to have the clown face.
Yeah, they had a big thing online with that when they took it down, and
Yeah.
they just got that new picture up. But yeah, we walked up. I got a nice shot when they first did it, and they opened it up so nobody was in the pool.
Oh, wow.
And they just opened it, and I'm like, I'm running up there.
Nice.
Today we got lucky. We're over. I don't know if you guys get a chance. Go up onto the Swan Reserve, hit the view floor, go upstairs.
Oh,
The
really?
upstairs wide open, nobody's up there. All window. You can see all the way over to the Magic Kingdom. That
Oh,
is the
nice.
most beautiful spot on Disney property for viewing. It's crazy.
Nice.
It's crazy. And the lady's like, nah, we got a seminar going on. We get up there, nobody's there. I'm like, yeah, we just started hitting the cameras.
What's your
We are
YouTube
now
channel?
approaching
Country
the
Bear
Skyliner
Tours.
train station.
Nice.
So,
While this
3
special
bears in a hippie
station
van.
is designed just for turning, other Skyliner
I'm an avid
stations were
consumer
designed to
of
complement
Disney
their
social
unique
media,
environment.
YouTube,
Oh, okay.
Instagram, so I'll
Disney's
definitely look you up.
Hollywood Studios,
We started
the
probably
laid-back
4
islands
years
of
ago now,
Disney's
me and him
Caribbean
actually. We
Beach
lived
Resort.
down here. We moved up to Mass and started in Massachusetts and came down. And we did 2 days down here. Me and him walked 42 miles.
Wow.
So we hit everything we wanted and we got extra. And we paid the price when we got home, but it was a good start. But now we're here. I like to be here like twice a week at least. So we're walking, and we try to get everything we can. But we're doing right now, it's our first giveaway. Years back, I think 2 years ago, we tried to give away stuff. It's so impossible to give stuff away. But now we finally got a official through YouTube giveaway. The rules are crazy to follow. It's like, really? But yeah, they want to make sure they're protected, no, way, shape, or form. But we're giving away a Star Wars hat. So we got a 2021. Yeah, we're hoping to beat. We're trying to get up to 5,000 subscribers. We're in between, and we're starting to pick up a lot now. So we're gonna hopefully get rid of that, and then I want to pick up some of them lightsabers and give them away.
Nice.
So yeah,
That's cool.
everyone. I work in travel too, so I see a lot of the guys with the lightsabers, and they said they've been picking them up for $130. They're running a sale on them.
Wow.
So I'm like, yep. I told him, let's pick up 2 of them. We'll give 2 of them away.
That's awesome.
Country Bear Tours. I just subscribed.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, we're gonna start. Our goal is to just start building and growing, and then we just want to give away and give away and give away. We're here all the time anyway, so it's just everyone loves stuff. But just seeing the things that people are walking around with is crazy.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna try to start stockpiling all that. But yeah, we're slowing down a little bit, and then we're starting to pick back up. But you got to be careful too, because it was last year I got cancer here, not thinking about the sun.
Oh yeah.
So yeah. So actually finally getting that all taken care of, so we're back out again. But holy moly, it's a pain.
Man.
Yeah, trees are getting scarce down here. They don't like trees. And as you guys can see coming across, you see all the different cars. You got the Monsters Inc. right there. You've got the Moana in front of us. You've got some clear ones. So if you guys are avid video shooters, ask the people to get on a clear one, guys. It's worth it. They'll give you one even if you have to wait for a couple of minutes. Clear does not mean clear. They're probably a little bit dirty, but it's better than nothing. If you're filming in one of these guys here with the decals on them, your shots aren't going to look as good. If you guys are shooting at night, my advice would be either have an incredible camera that's going to cost you all kinds of cash, or get yourself an iPhone, at least an iPhone 12 or better, or a GoPro 8, guys. Get on YouTube, follow some low light settings, you'll get some incredible videos.
As one of the most picturesque picturesque vacation destinations in the
And we
world,
actually, a couple
the
weeks ago, we were
European
back
Riviera
over at
has
the Contemporary
fascinated and
Resort during the
inspired many great artists
D23, and
over
we
the
ran into
centuries,
JoJo from
including
JoJo's
Walt
World, and he
Disney
said the
himself.
same thing. All you need is an iPhone nowadays, guys. And if you guys are filming, make sure you've got a couple of cameras on you. We had one of the days, it's so hot out there that we lost 3 cameras in one day. They just keep shutting down with the heat there. And as I said the other day, we're going to be getting back over to the Riviera. They're going to let me go out on the balcony, but they had a character breakfast running when I was over there, so they wouldn't let me out because of the camera. So you guys are not going to walk into the restaurant up on top with a camera if you did not pay for the character dining. So I wasn't able to go out there. So I'm going back up. They said anytime after 5 o'clock. So if you guys want to get out and see what it looks like from up above the Riviera, after 5, go up, get yourself a drink at the bar. I think it's one of the requirements that they have there. They told me if I went and got something at the bar, I could walk out back. We do have that video posted, guys, if you want to see it. That's an older video, but we do have what it looks like from up above.
Disney's Riviera Resort.
And if you guys are shooting from any of them places up above or any windy areas, make sure you've got the windsock on your camera, guys. Otherwise you're hearing a breeze whip through your camera and it doesn't make the audio sound too good. And there's your Coco right there. So this is one of the stops where you guys can get off or stay on. If you want to go to the Riviera, you can actually disembark right here and get right back on if you decide you want to go over to the Caribbean beach.
Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
And there's Hey Hey.
Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide sus permitidos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus
And if you guys get a chance, definitely look at the Riviera. We just got done posting the Riviera, guys. Once again, I'm not a fan of the high-rises. We like, even me and my family, we like going in them, checking them out and stuff like that. It's really awesome. The Riviera is a beautiful hotel, but you've got to like the up and down. I like the old style stuff, not as high, and I like to have all the amenities. I want the arcades, I want the restaurants. So they don't have a lot in there, guys. It reminds me of the Grand Destino Tower. You get over there and they're using all the amenities from the other side, the original Coronado Springs. So if I'm gonna go use all that, I might as well just stay on the other side. But to each his own, guys. There's Maui. Now once again, when you guys are riding on any of these journeys that you may be on, or even walking around, always keep your eyes open too. You never know who you're gonna bump into. I think me and Morgan here were at the Grand Floridian the one day, and we ran into Tim Tracker. We got lucky enough to run into JoJo from JoJo's World. We also ran into Paige and Mr. Morrow over at the Food and Wine Festival last year. So just keep your eyes peeled. And this is where you guys are going to disembark if you want to head over to the Riviera Resort. And I just got done filming that 2 days ago, so that will be out there for you guys. The Caribbean Beach, we shot that I think a couple weeks ago, but I got 2 of the pools done 2 days ago, so they're also posted. If you guys are looking for any of the pools or any of that stuff, go into our website at countrybeartours.com. And once again, if you guys aren't familiar with our giveaway, we are running a giveaway. Go into the website, it'll tell you all about it, guys. And if you guys are out on any of the equipment, any of the boats, be very careful, guys. Make sure you've got the straps on your cameras, hold them tight, even if you're on the rides. We did lose a camera going from Boardwalk over to the Hollywood Studios. So if you like losing a $3,000 camera, guys, make sure you don't have straps on it. Always strap up. Make sure your stuff's protected, guys. Sometimes just walking away from a restaurant, you'll leave something in the chair. You don't want to lose stuff.
Joining us, we are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights.
And this here is one of the pools. So I was on the Skyliner the other day and I noticed these pools down here are totally empty. So we got over here, I shot that before I headed out. And this is, again, once you're over here at the Caribbean Beach, if you don't want to stay at the main pool on the other side over there to pool the pirate pool, you guys do have these little pools off in the corner. You got one over here, one in the far corner, one over here, and then the one back here. And you're going to know them by the colors of the rooftops, and you guys are walking around. So at least it gives you an option. If you don't like the big theme pools with like 1 million people in them, you can go use the smaller pools. Sometimes they are fun. Like if you guys are over at the Port Orleans Resort, they do have the Alligator Bayou section. They've got some cool little pools in the back, and if you don't walk around, you'll never know that, guys. And once again, we are over the Caribbean Beach Resort. And I've said it 100 times, they need to tear all the buildings, rip them apart, and make them all into the pirate scene, guys. This is the perfect Pirates of the Caribbean resort right here. Easy to do it, a little bit of paint, and you've got yourself a new resort that's bringing in all the people. But they've got probably one of the nicest pools on property. If you guys haven't had a chance to get over to the Swan and Dolphin, go check out that pool. That'll blow your mind. They've got the big waterfalls, they've got the little slides over there, they've got the chairs underneath the big rock carvings over there, so it's kind of cool seeing all that. And it's a really big pool, 3 sections. And right now we're getting ready to head down into the Caribbean Beach section. So you got to make a decision here, guys. Do you want to get out or stay on and get yelled at? So I'd get out, because you're going to have to make a decision to go over to Hollywood Studios, head back the way we just came, or head on over to Pop Century or the Art of Animation.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please to the right.
And this is where we're going to head out. We're going to jump on something else, and we're actually heading straight on through today. We're not going to head over to the Hollywood Studios, so we're going to jump out, jump back on another one, and head right over to the Art of Animation today. And there's Mickey and Minnie Mouse over there. You got Goofy, and we're finishing it up, and we're going to head on out, guys. You too, man. So this is where you guys are. You're over at the main section now at the Caribbean Beach area. So if you guys want to go over to Hollywood Studios, you're going to head over that way, but we're going to head on straight over here. Now, if you guys decided you forgot something and you want to go back, you just get back over here. You can see the little sign, Riviera, Epcot. You can head back that way. Hollywood Studios over here. And you've got the Art of Animation Pop Century over here. Oh, so we're going to jump in line, head on over here. And there's no line, so what are we going to do? We're going to ask for a clear cart, guys. Oh, do you got any clear ones? All right, we'll do it. All right, guys, back on once again. Don't forget to ask for something clear if you guys are filming. We're back on right now. We're over at the Caribbean Beach side. We're getting ready to make our final leg of this mission, and we're heading over to the Pop Century Art of Animation. And once again, if you guys got anything you want us to shoot, feel free. We will shoot just about anything within, you know, safe limits and stuff, but let us know what you guys want us to shoot. If you want more Skyliner, bus rides, boat rides, resorts, you want an arcade, we'll do an arcade. Anything you guys are looking for us to shoot, we want to get while we're in a specific area. So if I know I can hit a like an arcade over at the Caribbean Beach, I'm going to go hit that arcade while I'm in that area. So if we know what you want, we'll get it out there. As soon as we get it, I'll comment back to you that we posted it. Check it out online. And if you guys miss a posting of ours, anytime you miss something, just go into the website, guys. That's the one down thing I hate about YouTube. You get in there and whatever you post is lost in time, unless you're typing in. That's why I designed the YouTube website. So you go into the Country Bear Tour website, it's going to take you where you want to go. You want a bus tour, you want a boat tour, you want Skyliners, you want resorts, you want the theme parks. Click the tab. Go into theme parks, and then you've got the Magic Kingdom, you've got Typhoon Lagoon, Blizzard Beach, you've got Hollywood Studios. The resorts have all the resorts in them. Some of them have a lot of videos, some of them do not have a lot of videos. We're building up the inventory of all of them. So bear with us, we are getting everything filmed out. We're finishing up right now. We've got 2 more resorts, and we are done for this set of resort tours. And now we're getting ready to move into the holiday. So pretty much we have the Halloween season done, and now we're getting ready to move into Christmas. So we're going to have to reshoot all these resorts again. We get a lot of people that want us just to shoot the resorts for the holidays. They want to see the decorations and stuff like that.
Just ahead and to the right. It's
So
Disney's
I know you guys want something, I can get over there, and then as soon as I get it done, I'll post it. And like I said, if you do miss it, just go into the website. You'll find it, guys. It's still YouTube. It still takes you into YouTube, but it's going to be all of our YouTube pictures. You click on it, and you're right into
A
YouTube.
memorable resort.
Otherwise, you got to keep typing everything, typing. But right over here, as you guys see, I don't want to talk too much, but you've got the little sketch pads on the end. You've got Ariel there. Yep, that's Ariel. And then you've got the bowling pins over there. So you're in Pop Century over at the bowling pins. So when you're coming up, this one's got all the yo-yos, the bowling pins, all the stuff dated back in time. And over here, this one's all set up in little sections also. You've got the Little Mermaid section right there. You've got the Lion King section next in the lineup. You've got the Finding Nemo section in the middle there. And then you've got on the end the Cars section with Radiator Springs. And each sketch pad on the end tells you where you are. So you can see right there, there's Ursula. And sad she just recently passed, but that's Ursula. So that's the Little Mermaid section. Over here, you can kind of see the coloration on the buildings too. That's more of an under the sea looking type of building. This one's got the greens and the yellows. So this one here, what do you got?
Thank you for flying the
Timon and
Disney
Pumbaa right
Skyliner.
there. They're on their sketch pad. You've got Squirt over there on that one right there. And in the back, they're all hand sketched on the back of the building. Now on the other side, you don't have the sketch. You've got the actual picture, so it's kind of cool. But we're now here at the Art of Animation Pop Century 1. We're going to say goodbye to you guys. We hope you like this one, and we'll keep posting them. We keep getting asked to post these Skyliner videos, so we'll keep getting them out there for you. But if you guys see us out there today, say hi. If not, we'll see you guys in the next one.